When the giants of the mining world finally fall silent, their story is far from over. Under a burning sunset, 1,000-ton machines rest like ancient steel monuments in the desert. Rust spreads slowly across their frames, carrying the scars of decades of brutal labor. 4-meter mining tires tower above the ground, dwarfing everything in the silent landscape. As night falls, powerful floodlights ignite, announcing the beginning of a new chapter. Engineers walk toward the machines, carrying blueprints and digital plans for transformation. Careful calculations begin the systematic dismantling of these enormous industrial giants. High-pressure water jets slice through 20-centimeter steel plates with incredible precision. The cutting nozzle glides forward smoothly, leaving a flawless edge on the dark metal. Hydraulic robots grip the giant tires and tear them away from their steel skeletons. Rubber separates from metal as dust clouds explode into the cold night air. Massive steel chassis are cut apart, releasing bright waterfalls of sparks across the floor. Towering cranes lift the fragments, moving thousands of kilograms like pieces of a puzzle. The scrap blocks drop into blazing furnaces, where temperatures rise beyond imagination. Molten steel flows like glowing lava, pouring into molds with blinding intensity. Forging hammers crash down with thunderous force, shaping the destiny of the metal. Red-hot steel compresses under pressure, becoming stronger with every powerful strike. Suddenly, the glowing blocks plunge into deep oil baths, releasing clouds of roaring steam. After cooling, the steel blanks emerge darker, stronger, and ready for precision manufacturing. The journey now moves from roaring furnaces into the calm world of advanced technology. Diamond-tipped drills spin rapidly, carving hardened steel with breathtaking surgical accuracy. Cooling mist surrounds the machines, creating a futuristic haze inside the bright workshop. Robotic arms move in perfect rhythm, assembling complex gears and polished crankshafts. Precision gears interlock smoothly, transferring power with flawless mechanical harmony. Blue laser scanners
locking
sweep
in,
across the
wiring
metal,
secured,
detecting
running diagnostic.
microscopic imperfections
All clear,
instantly.
powering up.
Engineers in clean suits install sensors and delicate wiring deep within the core. Shiny pistons glide smoothly inside mirror-polished cylinders under bright white factory lights. The finished machine stands proudly, combining steel, electronics, and human ingenuity. A deep vibration, the powerful machine awakens for the very first time. Energy surges through its frame as a deep mechanical hum fills the factory. Images flash between dusty mining pits
Initiating
and
precision
the sterile
assembly.
world of high-tech
Sequence complete.
manufacturing.
Next phase.
On one side, an aging mining truck slowly fades into industrial history. On the other side, a new generation of precision machines rises in brilliant color. A young engineer watches proudly, seeing innovation and determination brought to life. From abandoned giants to advanced technology, the true power of rebirth